morning, everyone. We're gonna make our bed, start off this vlog. It's a beautiful day out, so this is the mess. I like to make my bed every single day, so we're gonna take care of this and then get ready for the day. Also, these are my pajamas that I've been wearing nonstop. We all have matching ones. These are from J Studio, but it was a collaboration with WH Hostess, and they have all of these hydrangeas all over them. And then it comes with these really adorable shorts. Elizabeth has the pant version, and my mom also and Claire have a pair. So I've been wearing these, and they're like my favorite thing ever. They're so much fun to wake up in. So I also wanted to show you guys these pajamas. So I'm gonna quickly make my bed, and then we're gonna go for a workout, so we'll get changed and go from there. Also, I have all the bags and all the items that we bought when we were in Chicago over this past weekend, so I thought that it'd be fun to sit down later in this vlog and I could do a little haul from Chicago. A lot of the stuff is for back to school, so I thought it'd be a good time to do it, give you guys some inspiration for some items that you might want to purchase. So we will do this later on today, but they've just been in my room. They were in Claire's room, but then she came here for the past 2 nights, so we didn't want to like put them in her room. So they're just hanging out right here, but I wanted to leave them in the bags until I film a haul, and then I will go ahead and organize everything. Okay, I'm gonna go for my run. I look really bad, but my shoes are downstairs. This is what I'm wearing: black Lululemon top, my sunglasses that I'm bringing to cover my face, skirt, Apple Watch, hair in a really low man-like bun. So we're gonna go for a run.
Little cinnamon muffin.
And a little I'm your little cinnamon
Oh my
muffin.
god, you are. Oh my god, you're so cute.
And we're at one of our favorite coffee shops. It's really cute. So we're just sitting here.
And we're really loving this.
Yeah, post runs. And then we came and did this. Yay. Got salad. We're at the boat club. Grandparents. Hello. Hi. Hi. You're so cute. And happy Friday. Morning. Happy Saturday. We are going to get iced coffee. Yeah? Thank you. We're going to get some coffee at our favorite coffee shop. Getting the iced coffee. Hi. Hi. We've got 2 iced coffees. Now we're gonna drive back home. Okay, so happy Saturday, guys. I wanted to come outside before people show up. So I wanted to vlog before everyone kind of like showed up and explain to you guys what we're doing for our Saturday. So Claire and Connor are coming up. They should be up here any minute. So they're just here for the day and then probably dinner. And then we're having some of our friends up, family friends up, and they have 2 little baby girls, which is gonna be so much fun to play with. So they are coming up after nap time, so they're not coming up until like 3 o'clock late afternoon, and then they're gonna stay for dinner. So we're gonna have like a beach day, pop around, show them they've never been here before, and then we're gonna have dinner with them. We have just been getting ready for them all morning. The house is set, and my mom pre-made dinner this morning, so it's ready to go, and we can just like enjoy the afternoon. Luckily, it's beautiful weather. I'm standing under the umbrella right now. I haven't gotten ready yet. We just got up and ran and got coffee, had muffins this morning. It was really good, but we kind of shifted the setup a little bit, and I thought it'd be fun to show you guys. I know you always love seeing this. Like the beginning of the summer, we ordered this picnic table. I will figure out where my mom got it, but we put it over here under the shade because we have like this tree and then the umbrella we can move. And then these are these amazing light up lamps. You can't even see it because it's like broad daylight, but we got these from this amazing like boutique in Palm Beach. So I just think it's a really cool table setting, and like at night you can light it up. So this is where we're gonna have dinner. That is a little like bar thing from Serena and Lily, so I think that we're gonna probably use it tonight, fill it with ice and cocktails and drinks and stuff like that. So I'm probably just gonna go upstairs now, put some makeup on and change for Claire and Connor to arrive. So we'll hang out with them for a few hours, and then our friends will come. So that's the Saturday spiel. That is so cute. You're so sweet. I have so much to tell you. Yeah. I love your outfit. So baby. So we have dinner set out. My mom just did this for everybody. We all just got back from the beach, and Margaret is washing up. We have some fruit salad, corn salad, and then this pasta salad, which looks really good, and these really cute plates. And we're gonna sit outside, like where I showed you guys earlier. Okay, hello everyone, welcome back and happy Sunday. So excited to be vlogging again. I feel like we haven't talked in a minute. We've actually had a pretty busy weekend, and so I'm excited to finally be catching up with you guys. So yesterday we had our family friends up here, and they have 2 little baby girls, and it was so much fun. They kept us so busy. We literally played with them all afternoon, and then we had dinner with them, and then Claire and Connor also were up here. So it was really nice to see them, catch up with everybody, and then they went home. We kind of just like got stuff in order, went to bed. So today is Sunday, and we're having our good friend John up to the lake house for the day. You guys know John, he's always been in a bunch of my vlogs. So this is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this new pink Oxford, which is from a boutique from Chicago from last weekend. We got it in just one of the stores. I'm obsessed with it. I love this pocket, and then I just tucked in one of the sides. These jean shorts are from J. Crew. I'm wearing a hat today just because my hair is doing like weird things. It's kind of humid outside, so it's like huge right now. And then I'm wearing my earrings, which are from H&M. My watch, see, it's like flipping out. Do you see that? And then my shoes are from Zara. So he should be here pretty soon, and we're gonna go get some lunch first at like the little bagel coffee shop. Take you guys along. It's gonna be a really fun Sunday. I'm so glad he's coming up. The outfit will be linked down below. Okay, hello everyone. Look where we are, eating bagels again. We're here with John, getting our coffee, catching up with everyone, and just having a day. Happy Sunday. Okay, we just came to a farmer's market after our lunch for a fun little adventure. Look, we have a dog. So cute. Little free cantaloupe melon. It's melon. It's definitely melon. So cute. Look at these. We have some fresh baked, all these peaches. Yummy, yummy. We love coming here. What should we get? Should we get peaches?
Apple fritter.
We're walking around right now in the farmer's market, and John and Elizabeth are grabbing some stuff. We're gonna get some peaches. John's gonna get some stuff for his parents. We love coming here. It's like 15 minutes away from our house, and it's an orchard, and then they also have this like winery attached to it. It's very multi-faceted. Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay, so we're getting some peaches. John's checking out. Elizabeth's looking at the tea.
Getting this tea.
We're getting some zucchini bread. Yeah, get the tea. This is all so cute. Look at these cute cards. Love it.
I'm gonna taste it too.
The dog, hi, pretty girl. So cute. Taking these. Biking around. It's really windy. I look a little crazy, but we're going in and out of the lagoons. It's such a pretty day out, not too hot. Okay, post bike ride, we just came back inside. Now we're hanging out on the porch, and we're having some of the bread that we got at the farmer's market and some of this really delicious lemonade. And we're sitting all out here, Bitsy, and we're just and we're gonna have a little afternoon snack, so which is really fun, and it's beautiful outside. So we're just cooling down from, that was quite a strenuous bike ride, I will say.
Hiking up that
we were burning some calories, and we're gonna fix that with some carbs right now. Okay, so we are at dinner right now. I just got a lemon drop martini, I think. What is it? Yeah, lemon drop martini in a coupe glass. It's delicious. I've never tried it before. Elizabeth has this lovely like pomegranate mocktail. And so here we are, twist my arm, and then mom and dad are drinking this lovely white wine, which is delicious. We are at our favorite restaurant. Dad's talking to some friends over at the bar, and we just ordered some zucchini blossoms. It's Sunday evening, and we're just having a lovely family dinner and a photo shoot. Good morning, happy Monday. We always find our way back here. We're here at our favorite coffee shop. We're gonna get some iced coffee, hit the road. It's a busy Monday. I'll explain in the car. Got the coffee, and now we're gonna drive home. We stopped to get a car wash for Elizabeth. Jamming out, woo! Happy Monday. Happy Monday, everyone. First time I got a car wash, remember last summer? First time I got a car wash. Really? Yeah. Oh my god. Everybody. Why did you sunglasses? Because I'm a fan. I can't see anything. It's completely black. It's so dark. It's a Monday morning, but I feel great. I do feel great. We're gonna go get green smoothies and we're back home. Okay, Edith and I are going to work out, and we're gonna get a really good workout in. I'm very excited about this. Gonna run, do some cardio, weights, everything like that. Okay, so we're early for our hair appointment, so we're gonna go grab a Starbucks, get a little afternoon coffee. Everything looks so lush out here. Elizabeth, hello. It's good to see you. is gonna go get revived at Dry Bar. So we're gonna get some coffee. Just got our iced coffee. I got a cold brew with a splash of almond milk. Melissa got a vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
I never got this and I'm in love.
And now we are here at Dry Bar and we're gonna go get our blowouts. Our appointments are at 2:30, so we're like really early for some reason. And we had time for coffee. So cheers to you. We're gonna go get our hair done. Okay, so it's been a little bit later. We ran some errands after Dry Bar, and then I'm back home now, and I've just been working on some stuff, but I stopped in my P.O. box today on the way home, and we have a few exciting packages. So the first thing is from Print Fresh. They make really, really cute pajamas. You might have seen people posting about these. So they gifted me 2 pairs of pajamas. I think I have a coupon code that gives you guys 15% off, so I will leave that on the screen for you all. So I thought that we could unbox this together. Okay, so just precious. The first pair of pajamas I'm obsessed with. They are these lime trees, and I love how this is piped in pink. So darling. I'm pretty sure this is a short set. Yeah, this is definitely short, so it's perfect for the summertime. And then the second pair is so cute. This has cheetahs all over it. And I love this like hot pink color, and then it is piped in green. So their patterns and prints for their pajamas are darling, and I am so excited to start wearing these. You guys know how much I love pajamas and how seriously I take them. So thank you so much, Print Fresh, for sending these to me. Like I said, my coupon code will be on the screen for you all, and if you purchase something, definitely let me know, and I can't wait to be cozying these tonight. Next thing that came in today's little P.O. box run was so sweet. It's by a small business, which I absolutely love. It's called Created by Eliza. They have an Instagram shop, and they reached out to me. First of all, she wrote me the sweetest letter. So cute. Your handwriting is amazing. And everything came wrapped in pink, which I absolutely love. So I just wanted to show you guys that it was wrapped in pink. My gosh, I'm actually dying, you guys. I had no idea. She sent me 3 of these tie-dye, I think they are t-shirts, and they all have our names on it. She did Emily, Elizabeth, and Claire, one for each of us, which was so sweet and thoughtful of her to do, because obviously my sisters and I love sharing things, and we have such similar tastes, and it was so sweet that she included the whole family. So she stitched it all right on the collar for everybody. This is so personalized. She also did a happy to be here white crew neck, which she also stitched, and it's like the exact blue of my line, which is just beyond. And then we obviously have the bow. So this was so personalized and sweet, and thank you so much for sending this to me. So everyone go check out Created by Eliza, small business, and be sure to follow her on Instagram. So thank you so much for sending this to me, and I can't wait. Elizabeth and Claire are gonna be so excited when I have little presents for them. Good morning, everyone. So we have a very exciting day. I'm so excited to take you along for such a fun project that we're about to do today. We are shooting for my 4th line of merchandise, and we're actually doing a video. So we have a camera crew coming from Columbus. My mom and Elizabeth and I are about to head down. I will fill you guys in a little bit more and take you behind the scenes. This line will not be released for a few months, but I thought it would be so much fun to show you some of the process of it all and some behind the scenes. We are shooting. We've been shooting. We just did the first scene. It took us from like 10 to 12:30. This has been like literally so much fun, and I will kind of tell you more details as we keep going on. We're mapping out the second scene right now, and this is for my 4th line of merchandise. We have this camera crew that is from Columbus. He's also like a director, so he's been like telling me what to do. And yeah, we did the first scene. Never done anything like this. This has been such a fun day, and stay tuned. This is not going to be coming out for a little bit, but I'm going to get back to shooting, taking a little break, and then when I can check back with you guys, I will.
And I think this one too, like, fall apart.
Hey guys, so I'm just kind of here for moral support. I've been really helping Emily get into character. This lighting is horrible. But mostly been doing nothing, kind of just living my best life. Relaxed, happy, so my hair's a little curled. Literally got it done yesterday at Dry Bar. Didn't even last, but it's okay, I'll do it tonight.
Taking a little break. I'm drinking some iced tea. Okay, hi guys. So today is Wednesday actually, and so I'm continuing this vlog from yesterday. Today I got a fun package in the mail, so I wanted to make sure to include it in this video and show you guys what was sent to me, which was some really fun items from Lake Pajamas. We've been a fan of Lake Pajamas for a really long time, and so when they reached out, I like completely freaked out and was so grateful that they are sent over a box. So I'm gonna do a little unboxing and show you guys what they sent over. So here's the box. I wanted to keep it all wrapped up for you guys so you could see it on camera. So I thought that they were just sending me one thing, but then I ended up getting 2 pieces sent to me, which is even more exciting. So the first thing on top, I'm pretty sure, is their new robe that just came out. And then we have the gorgeous lake pajama box, this blue color. If you guys have ordered from them before, you know that it all comes wrapped like this. In fact, they just had a sale, so maybe some of you guys picked up some of their pajamas. But everything comes wrapped in this box, which is so exciting. So I'm gonna undo this and show you what they sent me. Okay, so it says getting ready just got good again. Take a minute longer to get ready for a big night out in our new afterbath collection designed to take you from here to there with ease, heels not included. So basically what they sent me when they reached out was their new product, which if you follow them, you've probably seen, but it's an after bath collection. It's like what you would wear as you're getting ready to go out or getting started for the day, which I just thought was brilliant because, I mean, I live with 2 sisters. We're always like in that in-between phase where we're getting ready, sometimes wearing a robe or you don't know when to put your outfit on. So I thought this was a great idea. So this is what it looks like. And I picked the blue. You could have gotten pink or blue, but I love blue just because it goes with our lake house. Look how cute this is. So it has these blue straps and it's really soft. It feels just like their pajamas. If you have their pajamas, you know how soft they are. It almost feels like a onesie. And then it has this like flap right here, and then it has these adjustable elastics. So you would wear this as you are, you know, in between after your shower, getting ready, doing your hair, doing your makeup, stuff like that. Oh my gosh, you guys, I am obsessed. This is so cute. This is so cute. And the blue, oh my gosh, it looks like a hotel robe, and it says lake at the top. So I'm gonna take some Insta stories and then I will undo the robe so I can show you guys. Okay, so I just put the robe that I just got over my clothes because I wanted to show you guys how cute this is. So it's just like a white summer robe basically, so darling, and then it has these blue and white stripes on the straps, and it's actually blue and white striped on the inside as well, as you can see that. So this is the cutest thing. This goes perfectly with my lake house, and it's just gonna be so cozy to wear as I'm getting ready, when I wake up, before I go to bed, stuff like that. So if you are in the market for a new robe, definitely check this out. And it has 2 pockets. So thank you so much, Lake Pajamas, for sending this to me. I'm dying because I obviously love their products already, and we've purchased them, like I said, before in the past. So to get this was thrilling. So before I ended off this video, I wanted to show you guys the pajamas on so you could see sizing. I know that that is always the big thing with pajamas. I'm dying. These are so cute. You can use my coupon code EmilyOnBose for 15% off site-wide, which means all the pajamas you can use my coupon code for, which is amazing. So this is the first pair that I got, which I know I showed earlier in this video, but it's always different on because sometimes sizing, everything like that. I picked out a small, and this fits perfectly for me, and as you can see, the top fits great, and then the shorts are super comfortable. So this is the first pair that are this is the lime tree. Everything will be linked down below, and then the second pair is with the cheetahs on it. I'm gonna put that on so you can all see it. Okay, and then this is the other pair of pajamas from Print Fresh, and this is long sleeves and then long pants. So they sent me one of each. Again, this is a small, so this fits perfectly true to size. It's awesome. And then it has cheetahs all over it, which is so much fun. This kind of is like a little bit more fall winter vibes, and then the lime trees are perfect for the summer. So I love how they sent me 2 different options. Again, 15% off the entire site with my code EmilyOnBose. And you can start shopping and we can all have matching pajamas. So I'm probably gonna be wrapping up this video right about now. I just wanted to make sure that I had an ending. Also, this is my outfit. My shorts I will find and leave down below. I think they're from Nordstrom, and then my top is this silk blouse from Club Monaco, which I absolutely love. This is a great piece if you guys work from home because it's super comfortable, but you look put together on top. Also, if you're going into the office, you could wear it for my working gals because it's just really comfortable and you can like last all day in it. So I'm gonna go take a shower. Tonight's Wednesday night, so we're watching Real Housewives. But I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I had a really great day yesterday shooting for my next line of merchandise. It was super exciting. So I'm gonna go and shower and use all my new lake pajama. Just all of my new products are so darling and so exciting. So it's all because of you guys. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye everyone.